Hello everybody and welcome. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I appreciate you joining me for today's project, and it's going to be this oak. I was going to use this piece of oak for the part of the lighthouse, but it had checking all the way through it, like big cracks all the way through. So I decided to make a vase out of it. I'm going to fill it with some resin, and I sandwiched in between it. It's a free sample of this decking. It's Ipe, I think is how you say it, or it's Brazilian walnut in parentheses. So I'm epoxying that up. I would have made it just the whole thing oak, but I was cutting it to try to get past the checking, the cracks, and never got past them, so I didn't have a big enough piece for a vase or a bowl, so I decided I'd put something in the middle. So stick around. Well, one thing's for sure, it's not going to get any awards for prettiest blank. We'll change it though. Well, I thought I got this a little straighter, up and down. Obviously it's crooked. We'll just say it adds character, right? Sure. Say that's part of the design. I guess that's part of its own design. But anyway, as I was researching this, I found out the correct way to say this is Ipe, I-P-E, or Brazilian walnut, I believe. Yep, Brazilian walnut. And it also said it is 5 times harder than most other hardwoods. I will not be one to argue with that, because so far it is hard. A lot harder than this oak. So, see how it goes. Alright, looks like I still got some cracks, so I gotta fill in some CA or something. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll bring you back. I like it. Now I gotta redo this since I took a lot of it off, so. Alright, now that's finished. I'm going to turn it around and hollow it out. Okay, so my Nova chuck wouldn't work. The jaws were too thick, I guess, to fit in there the way I've got it angled. The way I've got it angled. If I just made it flat, that would have been good. And the pin jaws for the Nova wouldn't even open wide enough, so I'm just gonna stick it back on here and do a lot of sanding. Whew, how fun was that? Actually, it wasn't as bad as I thought. I don't want to do it again, but it wasn't as horrible. I will remember to leave plenty of room for my chuck next time. As always, I'm going to do 2 coats of sanding sealer, buff it out, and axe. Well, there she is. Didn't leave a lot of room for me to sign, but I'll figure it out somehow. I need to put a little more sealer in there, but overall I'm happy with it. It turned out pretty nice. Not quite the shape I was going for, but I like it. So tell me what you think. I am kind of frustrated that all that orange resin I used just went to waste, because there's some there, you can't even tell it. Some there, you can kind of see. I don't know if that comes through in the camera or not, but oh well. You live and learn, right? Alright, so that's it. Let me know what you think, if you like it or if you didn't. I already know I did some things wrong, like I pointed out, but I like it overall. It turned out very pretty. It's not as boring as the other log or limb piece of oak. Quite happy with it. Let me know what you think, and if there's anything you think I should try or do different, please let me know that too. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're not, thanks for watching. If you do subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it, but if you don't, that's fine too. So you guys have a blessed day, a blessed week as always, and as usual, see you next time.